Pivot Kit, the black and white sticker, Video 3, See Like Even Numbers. After the deal and before starting the Charleston, if you have the same even numbers, consider the following hands. Now, typically, people would look for the ALN 1, 2, and 3 and start collecting flowers and dragons. But what if the flowers and dragons aren't coming your way? Well, you can look for WD4, which would have east and west, E6 that would have 2, 4, 6, 8 with the dragons, and Q1 if you just keep accumulating the same even number. Read the C on the black and white sticker before the Charleston when you have the same even numbers. It will remind you to keep flowers, dragons, east, west, and 2, 4, 6, 8 of a different suit. Use the Pivot Kit. You'll be glad you did. This is Bernie Schrager. May the jokers be with you, unless we're at the same table.